Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to transfer the specified data range from Excel workbook to PowerPoint by using VBA macros. In this workbook I have some sales data. So by using VBA macros I am going to transfer this data from Excel workbook to PPT. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Now I am going to insert a module. So as part of this process, first I created a sub-procedure. This is the name of sub-procedure. Thereafter, I am defining the worksheet. Here I have data in the tab of stat. So first I am defining this tab. First created a variable which is named as sh and object data type is a worksheet. Thereafter, for that object I consider the tab of stat. Next, import the PowerPoint library. Click on Tools, References, select Microsoft PowerPoint 16.0 object library. Click on OK. Next, I define the PowerPoint application. Here I created a variable which is named as PPT app and data type is PowerPoint.application. For that variable I assign new PowerPoint.application. Next, I am going to define the presentation. Next, I created a variable with the name of PPT press to define the presentation of PowerPoint. Thereafter, I added the presentation to the PowerPoint. Next, I enabled the visible option. PPT.visible is equal to true. Next, I am going to add slide to the PowerPoint. Here I defined one more variable which is named as PPT slide and data type is PowerPoint.slide. Set PPT slide is equal to, I am adding this slide to the presentation. Hence I mention presentation variable here. Thereafter, I am adding the slide. First one is the index number. As I am adding first slide, I mentioned as 1. Thereafter, we can find different options. User has to choose which one is required. There are different categories for each and every slide. Right now I am selecting PP layout blank. Next, I am copying the data range which exists in stat tab. Here we can find data started from E3 cell and ends at K19 cell. Here I defined the range. Thereafter, I am copying the data from the stat tab. After copying the defined range from the stat tab, now I am going to paste in PPT slide. Here I use it with keyword. This is the starting of width and this is the end of the width. For that width, I considered PPT slide.shapes.paste. Thereafter, I am defining the measurements for the pasted data. Here I define the measurements in form of top, height, width, left for the pasted data in the PowerPoint. These are the measurements: 100, 450, 720 and 150. instructed the application to remove the selection from the copied data. So this is the complete program. Press F8 to start the debugging. First define the stat tab. Thereafter define the PowerPoint application. Thereafter define the presentation. Now PPT is visible to the user. Here this is the presentation view of PPT, which doesn't consist of any slide. Thereafter I am going to add the slide to this presentation. Now new slide added to this presentation. Next I am copying the data from the stat tab. Now data pasted into the slide. Thereafter I am defining the measurements. From top I consider as 100. User can change these measurements based on the data structure. Let us see. Here I am replacing 100 with 50. Thereafter I am changing the height. Next I am changing the width. Next I am changing the left. In the stat tab, copied data is in selection mode. Here we can find. Now I am going to remove this selection. Selection removed. Remove the breakpoints. Now I am inserting a shape. Here I created a button. To that button I am assigning a macro. Click on OK. Click on that button. Automatically application executes the program. Here we can find the final output. In this way we can transfer the data from Excel workbook to PPT. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.